the case now, again compared to the excerpts from a series of experiments with the dark field microscope. Blood test after phone calls with a normal smartphone and an energized smartphone.
Ich bin die Yvonne Staudenmann. Ich bin Naturheilpraktikerin und
I'm Yvonne Staudenmann. I work as a naturopath, medical masseuse and body therapist. I've had my own office since 1998 and offer various massage techniques, spine and joint mobilization, acupuncture, not with needles but with a meridian stick, and also the dark field therapy.
Nicht mit Nadeln, sondern mit Meridianstab und auch die Dunkelfeldtherapie an.
Testing of own blood after a phone call with a non-energized smartphone.
Das hier sind die roten Blutkörperchen, die wir hier sehen. Hier auch, all das sind rote Blutkörperchen. Eigentlich sollten die roten Blutkörperchen
what we can see here are the red blood cells. All of these are red blood cells. The red blood cells should actually be single or not as close together because the shell of every single red blood cell has something like a magnetism with which it pushes the other blood cells away. Actually, they should come together like this and then separate again. That would be the ideal scenario. This one moves away again, and that's the way it should be.
Das ist eigentlich das Richtige. Ha? Der geht jetzt dann wieder weg. Und so sollte es sein. Und wenn sie so zusammenkleben, ist das nicht gut, weil hier gibt es
It's problematic if they stick together like this because then a deficiency in the metabolism occurs, nutrients and oxygen are affected. When the cells stick together like this, the substances are no longer transported properly into the cells because these dents actually absorb nutrients and oxygen.
Weil eben hier das zusammen ist, weil hier in dieser Telle drin werden eigentlich Nährstoffe und Sauerstoff aufgenommen. Ja, also da bin ich ja auf die nächste Blutprobe.
I'm really looking forward to the next blood test. At the moment, I'm a bit shocked. I'm used to my blood formation looking differently. Now the smartphone is energized with the master power plates. Cube Forerunner. Another 12 minutes are spent on the phone.
Ja, hier sehen wir die roten Blutkörperchen viel mehr im Einzelnen als in der vorhergehenden Probe, bevor ich mit dem energetisierten Handy.
Here we see the red blood cells much more separated than before talking on the energized phone. There's more movement again. What we can clearly see from energizing the cell phone is that the red blood cells, but also the white small dots that belong to the immune system have become much more active.
Aber auch die weißen kleinen Punkte, die zum Immunsystem gehören, viel aktiver geworden. Ha? Und das heißt, das Blut ist vitalisierter. Also wenn ich bei jemandem
That means the blood is more vitalized. If I see someone with such a blood formation, I'll ask them whether they had these energizing plates under their bed. It's really the case now, again compared to the other picture, that these dots, look. It seems like they're all turbocharged. Now it's much livelier than before. It's amazing.
Turbo drin. Jetzt ist es wieder viel lebendiger als vorher. Ha? Es ist gewaltig.
Again, for comparison, 100x magnification with thousands of blood cells. After a phone call with a normal smartphone. The blood is frozen. The same formation with an energized smartphone. The blood is highly energized. And that wasn't the case before? No, not at all. That's why I say that it has been strongly vitalized. Conclusion. Quantum energy that has been transferred to the cell phone by using the master power plates has a significant positive effect on the blood.